Oily air compressors need regular replacement of. The cost of lubricating oil, oil filter materials, and labor costs hundreds of yuan per year. And once it starts to leak, or added at any time, or disassemble and replace the seals, the result is often that it can't be repaired well, and you have to clean it every day. Otherwise, over time, the sludge cannot be removed. Poor heat dissipation, more and more problems will arise, and eventually have to replace the new machine. The maintenance-free design of oil-free piston greatly reduces the operating, the work pressure of the unit, and also saves costs. Some large bus have completely switched. Compared to a year, the benefits are obvious. Hurry up and take action. Contact TRION to get technical support.